eyebrawl. One of the hardest and most legendary and rare scalanders ever to find, and he's a giant. And I'm gonna unbox him for this video to show all you YouTubers. And don't feel bad if you don't have eyebrawl, because I'm gonna give you a hint of where to find him, and it's in the area. GameStop. When you go to GameStop, they will have plenty of eyeballs and plenty of thump packs and lots of legendaries. And if you want, you can check out Walmart, BJ's, and Sam's too, because Walmart has hot dog and molten hot dog, and GameStop also has original hot dog. This is so awesome. I already fired up the Xbox. I fired it all up. As you can see it already fired up the thing with a picture of eyebrawl. That's news for you. Oh my god, it's gonna be so hard. This is so hard. Okay, let's get them out. Let's get the stat cards out. Got this thingy again. New hickey. Little manual that nobody ever wants to look at. Okay, so we got 140 attack, 140 defense, 100 speed. Wow, 100 speed. 145 luck, which also goes as stats. So this stuff we're gonna go ahead and throw away. Let's put them on the Xbox. Let's fire it up quickly. Alright, let's see. Let's look at it. Okay, I don't think I can place them on and look at the Xbox at the same time with it, but
I've got my eye.
sweet. Okay, so I was on this, and then I left the house, and then I was on Rumbletown level, and I left the house, got eyebrawl, and then I'm just gonna place him down right here. All right, so let's look at what he has. So he has A. Let me see A. He punches. Well, he just punched. And that's his eye comes out and shoots lasers, as you all know. Look at the last piece of, and then Z. Cool. And if they fall, well, then they die. That's all I'm going to tell you. Thanks a lot for watching, YouTubers. This is my first video and I'm making, so you are gonna love the rest I'm gonna make, and they'll all be about scanners and unboxing. Well, not unboxing, but it'll be a little bit, because this is my only unboxing video I'm gonna do, because I just got here all my other scanners I have. Well, it's my first time making a video. That's all I'm gonna tell you guys. Bye bye, and please comment, subscribe, and rate 5 stars. But 4, 3, 2, whatever you think, just rate. And if you like this video, click that thumbs up button. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, YouTubers.